If you think your home could use a facelift but don't know where to start, stick around. We've got the magic formula for you. Imagine stepping into a kitchen that feels like a gourmet playground, or a bathroom that's your personal spa retreat. It's not a dream. Renovations can make it a reality. Let's start with the heart of your home, the kitchen. New countertops, sleek cabinets, and modern appliances can turn cooking into an experience you look forward to. Plus, it adds serious value to your home. Now let's talk bathrooms. A fresh, stylish bathroom can be your escape from the chaos of daily life. Think elegant fixtures, luxurious tiles, and that perfect lighting for your morning routine. The best part? These transformations don't just update your space, they uplift your entire lifestyle. Ready to revamp your home? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design tips. Let's get started today.